Hi everyone, welcome back. This video will learn how to insert data from MySQL database into Salesforce using Talend. Let's start by looking at our MySQL table. This is our MySQL workbench. Let me log in to this. Password. Now I will write a query to see the table. Select on, down, and mirror it. So here is our account table. We are having account name, account type, phone, website, industry, column names, and total 6 records we are having in this table. And our data is stored in a Talent database. Now let's move to the Talent Studio and build our job. We have this is a Salesforce connection part. We have already covered how to connect Talent with Salesforce using tSalesforce connection component in previous video. If you haven't seen it, make sure to check it out first. And this is the main job, our main job. We connect both this subjob using on subjob OK trigger. First, we use tdb input component to to read the MySQL table. Let's double click on it. Here you can see I have selected MySQL database and click on apply. After that, give all the details like host name, port number, database, username, and password. Here you can see in the MySQL workbench here our host name is a local host and port number is 3306. And our database is a Talend. In that we are having tables name account. Okay. Here we have mentioned all the things. Then the table name account. Here we give the schema as per the table. Mention all the column names here. After that the query select all from account. Then we use tmap. Yeah. Here we have connected TDB input component with the tmap using main row connection. Now double click on tmap. In tmap we are having the output column here. You can see the left hand side, the main input from MySQL account table. Here is, and the right hand side the output table we have created here. Account. We are simply passing all the fields from MySQL to the output name account table. Please make sure your output column match with the Salesforce account object column name. Okay. Now next we are using tSalesforce output connection to load our data in account object. Connect both tmap and Salesforce with the main connection. Double click on it. You can see here we use connection component tSalesforce connection. This is the model name is account. There is our schema. Output action is insert. Next, we are using two Talend row to see the successful row and the rejected row. Connected this T log row one with the main connection and second one with the reject connection. Now we'll run the job. Job is in. Now is running. Connection is successful. You can see here 6 row Successful like 0, rejected. Now we'll see on the console. Labro having all the success row. They have added 6 account record, 0 for the result. Now we'll see in the Salesforce object. This is the Salesforce, the account object, all accounts. You can see here new data is coming, and that's how we insert account data from MySQL into Salesforce using Talend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.